Hello. So today we're touring Hard Rock, Punta Cana. So we're going to show you guys this beautiful property. It is absolutely huge. So it's probably going to be a lot of content today. But stay tuned. Stay with us till the end. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe to the channel. We do appreciate that support. And let's get started with the tour.
Over here we have a miniature golf. This is like a good activity for families, and it's not part of the all-inclusive. It can be booked with the Hola, ¿cómo van?
Bueno.
Yo pensé un man que me...
Dale.
Thank you, guys. Over here we have our boneless pool. This pool is a quiet pool, so for families, for elderly that would like. Lazy River, our Ipanema.
Here's the lazy river.
That's the main thing. Dime tú, y tú no se lo dijiste. Elisa, ¿por qué no estás? On this, we have a kids slide, kids pool here, we have alcoholic bar, and we use these gazebos for like events, cocktail, weddings, and things like that. Over here is the Toro restaurant. This is our American style. Oh, now we're going to the front. This is our Coral Beach. We have our Nathan Rock sign. And of course, we're coming to stop over here. Little tickets, you can, everybody can use in the hotel. The cabanas come with additional charges, and those can be booked during our vacation time. This is our main pool where we will have DJ or bands or activities going on with our animation team. We have a float rider here, and you can watch people roll off the
Un saludo especial para la señora Brown Sugar. ¡Wow! ¡Pero qué bonito!
Also the one from my other yeah. For the members. And this beach area so that they can buy as well. It has a charge of about $100 per person per day, and it can be rented without a Over here is our Isla restaurant, and it's like Caribbean.
Here is the Isla restaurant with Caribbean food. Okay, here we're going to start with the standard suite. And one of the unique features here with the Hard Rock Resort is every room has a jacuzzi on the balcony. And this room is a garden view. And this one, we have a rock suite, 1 bedroom.
This is like a guest bathroom.
Very nice. Then inside the bedroom, you do have your own sitting area. And again, you do have that balcony jacuzzi. And then you have your main living room. And this room does have a connecting room, so you can convert it to a rock suite 2 bedroom. And this would be the connecting side, which gives you 2 more king beds. And then on this side, they also have their own private sitting area as well. So same room style, just gives you the double king beds, and it allows you to connect it to the original rock suite 1 bedroom to make it a 2 bedroom. This is the Zen restaurant, the hibachi.
I'll do it again.
And over here we have Porta, which is like
Here we have the Mexican restaurant.
go this way. Here's a beer game room. Which
Here we have Chow, the Italian restaurant. And here's the main buffet. Has a variety of different foods. You have Mexican, Italian, Asian, American. So you get a good variety here. Here you have the bowling bar. Gracias. Now we're going into the Rock Spa. This is probably the largest spa that I've seen here in Punta Cana at the resorts. In the back there, on the other side, is also a barber shop.
but it's a very, very nice and I believe they sometimes do even if they're not
Now we're inside of the gym. They have their sporting clothing store here.
like a bridal suite where they can get ready with the girls. Some parts right in front, we can go to
And here we are at the water park. The Rockaway Bay Water Park is what it's called. They have your area here for the smaller kids. Water park food truck where you can get nachos, cheeseburgers, wings, hot dog. Now we're going to check out the kids club. Here they have cooking classes for the kids. Here they have the trampoline area for the kids.